Hey guys, we're back here again. Talk about a little about what we have here. This yesterday was a horrible day for Redfin. Redfin like it was one of my biggest position, and I did lose a lot of money yesterday. Lost a lot of money because I was holding it and I'm still holding it, and now I want to reposition my portfolio to be back in it. So like right now is starting off strong. Yesterday I lost like $20,000 on Redfin, just Redfin alone. So it was a pretty bad day. But at the end of the day, just money that at the end of the day is something that we have to push through and like and we know the company's good. Now let's look at the technicals. The earnings was great. The only thing downside is the 10-year yield was up, so that took a hit. The stock and interest rates on mortgage are increasing to 3 point something, so 3.1 something like that. So the 30-year fixed rate. So mortgage and but it took a hit from $98 on I think Monday all the way to Friday at 76. So we're gonna close and we're gonna see how we're gonna close today. So I'm gonna add to my position today to Refin. Um, so because it's at low pricing compared to before. As we see here, it was a 71 and beginning of the market today. So we still have it open. Like we still have 10 minutes to go, and we're already $76. So I think we're gonna reach the $80 mark today, and go back touch the 90 and 100 levels. It just because all the news it got oversold. People are panicking and taking money out. A lot of people are taking money from Oak funds, and they're just overreacting. I think over the news that's been hitting, and they're just reacting. That's a great opportunity to buy, and that's what I'm gonna continue doing. And let's look at the technicals. At the RCI, we can see here that it's being oversold right here. That this is the oversold and overbought. So we see here that it's oversold and it came back. We see here they got oversold on this point right here at $83 and it came back to $90. So these are the technical levels that I use, and this is this is another indicator. It's called stochastic slow that it tells me it's been overbought, and if once it's designed, the purple line crosses the red line, I know that, and it goes up the below the oversold line at the 20. I know it's been oversold, and at this point we both indicators indicate the same thing. It's been oversold and it's gonna come back up. So meaning that's gonna be a momentum moving forward. So and that's what I use to see indicators that how we're gonna how we're gonna trade up. So that's one of the things that I use a lot to see where the stock is going. And Redfin overall it had great earnings. It has a great web platform for customers. It bought it's called apartment rent, so they could get more traffic through their online. Also, so they go into the rent space, and their profit margin is strong compared to last year. Last year, they were losing money. This year, they were making money. So overall, the momentum of the stock and fundamentals of it and the technicals show that the stock is gonna ramp up back to the 90, even to the $100 mark. So it just depends on all these news that people see or they oversell that push the stock down. For example, let's take another example. Tesla what got hit. I bought some yesterday. I bought some yesterday at the close of the market at like 60 what 683. And right now it's a $700 mark. So at the end of the day, sorry, I was just reading up there here. So at the end of the day, we could see that this it got oversold, and the Tesla likes to be at the $700 mark. So at the end of the day, it's just trying to reach that again, and that's another buy opportunity from yesterday. The oversold, like what I was mentioned, and we can see the indicators right here too. What happened? It went down. See, we can see it went down. So it tells you right here on the RSI that it's crossed the oversold mark, and that's a buying opportunity. So that's when you should buy and come up, and that's what we did. That's what I did. So those are little indicators that I use overall to see more technicality good wise. Depends on my short hold or long hold that where I'm going to be at. Like the Teslas are short hold, so this is going to go back to a 700 even more. All right, I'm going to add if it comes down. Not right now, and keep on trading it. The one that I ain't going to come in through pretty hard is on Redfin, because here there's been oversold a lot. in the pre-market. It didn't touch the 80 mark today, so it's already $76. So it's ramping up there, and it's a great opportunity to make that type of recover some of the losses from yesterday, and that's the whole point. So I'll continue making videos today about the weed, and there's some great big news on the weed sector, and I'm gonna go ahead and about Mexico and about the U.S. what's going on, and go ahead and put those videos up. If you do have any questions, just shoot out my right here my Twitter page. If you do like the video, go ahead and like or dislike it and subscribe. Thank you.